There are three upgrades I wish I made to my 2023 Silverado sooner. The third one took me the longest to get, but it's by far the best. The first one is this rough country tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold, soft close tonneau cover. It clips on really nicely with a really nice handle on the back here. Get them out of the way, it folds up. Installing the tonneau cover is super simple. If you want to see a video on how to install it, I'll leave one link in the description below so you can check it out. To secure this, when you've got it folded up, it's got these clips at the top here. They just slot right in like that. Really secure. So when you're going along, this is waterproof. I haven't had any leaks into my bed with this down. So it means you can put stuff in here that you need to keep dry. It fits really well. It has these seals on the side here to keep it from getting water in here. Down like that. To secure the tonneau cover in place, you have these clips down here, and they stow away when you're using the trifold process, where it's up the top of your bed. But to secure the back of the tonneau cover when you want to use it, you just clip in here, and it keeps everything dry, and then it stops anything from blowing away or getting taken when you're traveling. When it's time to shut your tailgate, it doesn't interfere with it, and it seals across the back here. This rough country tonneau cover is really nice, holding up really well to the use that I put it through. So I'll leave a link to this and the other products I'm about to share with you in the description below. Product number two are these clips on the side here. If you have a Silverado or a GMC Sierra, you're going to have these little plastic clips here that they keep falling out and they don't really serve a purpose. So I got these hooks for two purposes: to stop stuff getting in behind here and to put something that's more secure instead of them falling out. But there's also added benefit that you can actually tie things to these, and it gives you more tie down points across the bed of your truck instead of just the standard hooks. So I have three on this side, I have three on the opposing side, and I have three across the bulkhead of the truck. They make tying things down so much easier because you have more tie down points than standard. And this is my best purchase by far. It took me the longest to get. And it's this rock block for the tailgate of my truck. If you're moving rocks or grass clippings or sticks, you'll know that all these things get stuck down in this gap. But you'll see that I've got this tape across here. This works really well at stopping all that stuff getting stuck in there. I typically use a tarp to pull things out with, and normally some stuff gets left behind and it normally falls down this gap, but no more. Tape's really easy to install. It folds with the tailgate, doesn't cause any issues, and it doesn't stop anything from sliding in and out. See here that I do have a spray and bed liner, and I was able to stick it to that, and it's holding up really well to all the work that I do with my truck, because you can see here it's full of sticks and grass clippings and dirt, and getting stones in here is never ideal. So that's why it's the best upgrade that I made to my truck, and I should have done this years ago, but I just didn't. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more DIY videos around the home, you should check out this video here next.